Pack the place on the first day. You got to give up for the fans. They're the best fans in the world. Aeroflex fans, FNA Army. Chris didn't think we could do this. Actually, he did. I said, man, you got to be kidding me. All right, y'all can hear me. So one thing I've been kind of convicted to do is, first thing you don't know about me, tattoos and spiky hair and all that good stuff. A little more to the right. So, boom. The babies are slickery. What do you think, Jake? Pretty cool hat you got there. This is a long shot. This is the longest we've ever done this. Pull. We're gonna get it right now. We got this. Pull.
Oh, nice.
Oh yeah. Next week we'll be in Wisconsin, don't you know? Oh yeah. Jake said, oh yeah. I know. Pull. Oh, well, one more, we're gonna go back up, we're gonna get smaller, shoot some clay pigeons, get yelled at by the guys in the orange suits. Pull. Oh, too high. All right, we'll just adjust. A couple inches lower. You got that? You good? No? You're like, please don't turn around. Don't talk to me. Oh! Nick did. Put this one in the center, all right? We'll go up there and we'll quick stop. Jake, get back here. You're going to get killed. Jeez. Can't take you anywhere. It's like salvo. You got to have like a choker chain on Chip because he'll just disappear. Anyway. And Salvo, he'll talk to every girl in this place. So watch your girlfriend, Jake. That's what I'm saying. Oh. Ah, bad deal. Well, sometimes it's missing. But no, seriously, if Salvo's not taking pictures in the mirror, in the bathroom of himself, then he's talking to the girls in the lobby. Or waitress. No one laughs, Salvo. They all feel sorry for you, I think. Some people are leaving. They're like, man, that guy's just all hype. So, let's break some stuff, Chip. Clay pigeons? Clay pigeons? Let's do this. Oh, you guys think it's not funny right now, but Salvo will talk to your girlfriend. For real.
I won't.
Oh, yes, he will.